Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as the Dubai chocolate on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this, for my version at least, but you can customize it to however you want. Select this dress from the Valentine's box, and we're just going to turn off cage. I'm going to color the first layer brown. I think I might add more sheen to it to make it look more like chocolate. And then I'm going to add green to it, to the rest of that. Then I am going to use this one, just the ribbon, and then I'm going to only color it this green color. Or should I do brown? I'll do brown. And then I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to color the first two layers brown, and then the last one this green. And I'm also going to add this to it. The first layer is brown, and then the second one green. Alright, I think that's it for this part. You can add a necklace if you'd like to, but I'm going to just do that later. Then I am going to use this bag because it looks like a chocolate bar. And I'll put it on the hand here. And I'm going to add, again, the metallic sheen or do light silk. Up to you which one you want. And then for the fit, I'm going to add this 3, and I'm going to just turn off the texture, and I'm just going to add that green as well as this 5, turn off chains and texture. And then I'm going to do green, brown, and then green, and then brown. White, I used another color brown. Okay, there we go. Like that. And then I also use this for the shoes in the color green and then brown here. Okay, can't use metallic on that. And I did brown for the rest, like so. I think I might do green for that part. Yeah. And then you can add more stuff to it if you would like to. I actually don't remember what else I put on. Like, if I'm being for real with you guys. I think I might add this though. But just like the veil, to add a little more stuff to it. But yeah, that is how you can dress up as the Dubai chocolate. Actually, I might add on a necklace from here. This one. Wait, where is it? Do brown and green. There we go. And that is how you can dress up as the viral Dubai chocolate on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.